Hi guys, I'm Anna from Woodpecker, and today I'm going to show you one of the very interesting features available in our integration with Pipedrive. If you're familiar with Zapier, you're probably familiar with automated workflows as well. You know, if something happens, then do something else. And probably this is the moment you start wondering, why am I even talking about Zapier and what it has to do with our Pipedrive integration? Well, the common feature for both Zapier and our native Pipedrive integration is the ability to create aforementioned automated workflows. We call it actions, and you can find them in the Pipedrive integration panel. Actions allow you to define the automated processes when something specific happens. For example, you can create a deal in Pipedrive every time Woodpecker prospect is marked as interested. As you can see, it's a great time saver when it comes to managing your sales workflow. Let me show you how to set it up. You need the Pipedrive integration up and running. In order to do this, connect your Pipedrive account to Woodpecker. As you can see, the connection process is super easy and you can have your Pipedrive integration working in a few seconds. At this point, you have a basic integration setup which includes a simple field mapping and a two-way data synchronization. It's enough to create your first action. Go to Actions and click on Add Action button. Few options will appear. You can name your action any way you want. For example, you can use a campaign name you're about to include there. Then choose a trigger. It could be a reply or an interested prospect. You can include triggers from all campaigns or focus just on a specific campaign. Finish setting up the action by choosing what should be done in Pipedrive. Of course, don't forget to save your changes. And that's it! Your first action has been set up. Now it's time to wait for new deals that will appear automatically in your Pipedrive account. If all of that sounds super exciting to you, but you need some other type of action, drop us a line at integrations@Woodpecker.co or leave your comment below. I hope you enjoyed this short video and see you next time!